Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's a cold one. It's dark. Oh, can't wait until summer. At least spring. Spring's like 94 more days, I believe. This is what we have for the animals today. Most of us will be going to the pigs. I might throw some to the chickens, just for a treat. And they're enjoying this. And fruits and vegetables. Good thing about these payback rain bags, they come open pretty easy. Hard to do it one-handed though. There it goes. Well, I'm very disappointed in you girls. 3 eggs? Wow, you've really dropped off. And if you stop putting them in the mud, it'd even be better. Harold in here with his little friends. A lot of vegetables. Some grain, some corn, some fruit. They like it over here better. And you got some alfalfa too. Like it better here than over there with Mama. Well, Petunia's got all the food to herself. Most of the vegetables and fruit are gone except for the lemon. They do not like lemon. They did lick the insides out of it, but as far as the peel, didn't like that. The pigs do like bananas though, I found out. This baby here, yeah, he comes up to you. He's only a little bit afraid. Yeah, so 2 are braver than the rest of them. The rest of them see me, they want to run in. They're missing out on all the good food. Maybe what not to do on the farm. So Doc's pulling the rest of these parts off that he needs. Well, those brakes work. Oh, run over my pole. That's my last check of the animals. It'll be dark here pretty soon. Harold, I gave him a little bit more grain. He's just spoiled rotten. I don't see no more eggs in the chickens. In the chicken coop. They still got chicken scratch out there, or corn. They haven't ate. Yeah, they got a little bit of corn too. I know, I spoiled them. Yeah, you guys kind of make a mess up my alfalfa here. Don't ruin it, eat it. Just pack it into the ground. Doc's on the trailer was Jeep over at Hank's house so they can get it fixed. Yeah, he put a 4-liter in it, and the wiring's still not quite right. I think you still got to put a transfer case in it. So And that's where that Jeep's going, which makes more room for us at the shop. That way maybe they get that Fox Body Mustang up here as soon as we get the travel trailer out of the way. Oh, what a nice mess Doc made here. Yeah. Tractor's kind of like stuck in the dirt there. So got tools everywhere. I hope he picks his stuff up before he leaves. Not good. Can't park the tractor at the house. I don't want the mud on the gravel. Yep, mile marker, 12,000 pound winch. Well, it'll be good to have another one out of my yard. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.